Hello friends, this is Deepika from Nothing Wired and welcome to a very interesting episode. I'm super excited today because we have a very interesting smartphone for the all new Gen Z. Yes guys, I'm talking about the Vivo Z1 Pro here. So this is the Vivo Z1 Pro. It is a fully loaded phone made for the all new millennial generation, the new generation who wants everything in their phone. They are crazy gamers. They want pictures every moment, back, front, every camera should be on point, and at the same time they want a lot of battery backup. At the same time, the processor should be so good that you can do multitasking and gaming all the time. So this phone has all in one. It is the fully loaded Vivo Z1 Pro. In this video we're gonna unbox the Vivo Z1 Pro and see its first look. Along with that, see some more camera samples. Let's get started. So guys, this is how the retail box looks like. Let's just open it. So on the top you have the Vivo Z1 Pro here. So here is a back cover, very nice quality. Then there's some paperwork, a warranty card and user manual and all. Then comes the main part. Yes guys, we have here a 18-watt big fast charger inside the box itself. Then there's this micro USB charging cable and a decent quality of earphones. Such vibrant colors, amazing immersive view display. So let's just firstly talk about the design and feel and build of the phone. The phone back is a gradient design, metallic back, which gives this chromatic shades from every angle. It looks different and has lovely gradation. Can you see that? Then quickly just see the ports and buttons. Here's the power button and the volume rocker. This side we have the SIM tray slot. This is a dedicated SIM tray slot. You get a triple SIM tray slot here. Then at the bottom you have the micro USB charging port, speaker grill, 3.5 audio jack, mouthpiece. At the back we have a triple rear camera setup along with the LED flash and fingerprint sensor. So overall the phone has a 3D curved design, very nice to hold, and being a very big size battery, 5000 mAh of battery, does not feel at all heavy in the hand. That's a very good thing. In display front camera setup, that means a punch hole camera you'll get here for the front camera, so there is no additional pop-up or a shark fin or anything. You get a full immersive kind of a display. A gorgeous 19.5:9 aspect ratio, which gives you a vivid and immersive view when you are playing games or watching videos, or the overall experience enhances because of this in-display camera. The operating system is FunTouch OS. The model which I'm reviewing is a 6 GB RAM variant. Based on Android 9 Pie, and the processor is a 2.3 GHz Snapdragon 712 octa-core processor. That's a 10 nm processor. Now comes the another highlight of the phone, which is the camera. That is a really mind-blowing segment in this particular phone, because I just tried clicking some pictures, and not only just pictures guys, there is so much more, because the generation now needs so much more than just clicking selfies, or they want to make videos now and then, like quick videos, fun videos. So there is so much option in this phone to do creative stuff and create like amazing content. So firstly we understand the back camera setup. So here it's a AI triple rear camera, 16 megapixel of a main primary lens. Then there is an 8 megapixel of wide angle lens, which has a 108-degree wide angle, and also a 2 megapixel of a depth sensor. Then talking about the front camera, it's a 32 megapixel selfie camera. That means amazing selfie camera with which you can do a lot of creative stuff again, because you can click amazing portrait pictures. Then you can create content because you get fun video section, AR sticker section in the front camera as well. So I'll just show you some pictures I just tried to click here. So this is a normal sunset shot which I took, and then selfies are really nice, 32 megapixel of selfies. Both normal as well as portrait selfies are superb. Then if we check the wide angle, it has a really nice wide angle lens, like and this is a picture from the AR stickers, which are very interesting. This is a normal back camera shot which performs really good. Again, a normal picture and a wide angle picture, lovely. Now comes the one which I was mentioning, was the fun video part. So for this, generally people, the young generation these days does a lot of fun content like this, and they use multiple apps like Instagram and Snapchat, or might be TikTok. So with this, you can typically do it just with the phone and upload it anywhere you want. So guys, as I told you, there are three variants which will be launched, starting from a 4 plus 64 GB model. So this phone is expected to be launched at under 20k, and probably I'm just guessing it, the 4 GB plus 64 GB variant can start from a price range of around 16k, and accordingly 16, 18, or probably 20. That's my guesswork. We will inform you in the description box at the launch time that what exactly is the price on the launch event, because we are making this video a bit prior to the launch event. So guys, that's it for this video. If you liked this video, please give a thumbs up and share the comments what all new phones you want to know more about. Till then, we'll be back soon with another tech news. Thank you and bye.